Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex Day Trade Setups for today. So, yeah, a little bit of confusion. Big up, big down, going into the close of the month, then up and down again at the moment. So, I don't see much indication of a direction at the moment. Oscillators are indicating that that's it. We need to be looking for the level, and we're looking to be selling off this continuation of this downtrend. So remember, this is all about dollar strength at the moment, and we've kind of just stalled. So the feeling is that the dollar is going to get stronger, and that's what this move down was. But then we sort of bounced up, and now we just stagnant here. If you look to the left, you can see all the levels that we've got drawn in, pretty much around the range. So the one thing that for the bulls, one thing that is fairly interesting is a break above this area here, which is 118.056, because that validates this big W bottom or double bottom. There's a one leg, second leg. You can see up, back to test it. So that's the one way of looking at it. And then the other way is that we are rejecting the 155 and the top of the consolidation to the left, and we'll be moving back the downside. So 50-50 call. If we just look at the hour, nothing's really going to change there. You can see we were very clearly in an upward trend. We're looking for a pullback onto structure to buy. We got it too late in the session for me to be looking at it. So now what you're looking for is just tighten up your structure. That's kind of what I'd be looking at the moment. So you see that swing high there. That's 118.137. Get above it, test it, and we're looking for these levels to the upside. If we get below this and test it, then we're probably looking for these levels to the downside. For myself, I'm sitting on the sideline with the dollar at the moment. We've got non-farm payrolls on Friday. We've also got quite a bit of data tomorrow and Friday coming out into the market. So I'll just sit quietly and wait for that to blow over before starting to look at this again. US dollar, Japanese yen, pretty much the same picture. We are sideways. You can see moving average is flat. Does look like we've got a bit of a crossover, and we've got a crossover of the oscillators on the 8 hour. Nothing clear enough for me, unfortunately. If I look at the hour, you can see we're sort of hovering here and then swing low, massive move to the upside. But look at the groupings of my oscillators again. So as far as I'm concerned, that is top of structure, that is bottom of structure there. So in other words, we're still ranging. We're going to need to clear this area properly before I look at it. So that's 110.183. So that's also sitting on the sidelines. British pound, Japanese yen, another one that we just need to sit quietly, look at the price action that's happened the last couple of 8 hour bars. That is total confusion. You can see sellers coming on off the top here at 151.536, and then the buyers coming off the bottom. But with all those tails, barbed wire, in other words, complete confusion. And you can see here's another pattern of complete confusion there. And then eventually we find a direction. In that case, it was down. But at this moment in time, nobody knows what's going on here. If we just get to the hour, again, you'll see my indicators are missing. Right, the indicators are back. And look at the confusion here. You can see Monday and Tuesday, you can see sellers and buyers all over the place, oscillators in the middle of nowhere. We're ranging, I'm sitting on the sideline. The only caveat here is that we are ranging to the upside, so we're kind of just ambling to the upside or drifting higher at the moment. So yeah, technically trend is up, even though we are going sideways. So you're looking to buy, but there's not much opportunity here. If you buy, you're going to be selling really close. This is kind of a 5-minute trading chart at the moment, and that's not something I like doing, especially on Forex. Lastly, Euro, British pound. So look at this 8 hour range bar here. That is just a pure indication of confusion, and I'm really not interested in that at the moment. One thing that is fairly clear, and I can actually do it a little bit lower down, is I do have a sort of a head and shoulders. So there is a shoulder here, there is a head, there is a shoulder, or we have a cup and handle. Regardless which way you look at it, the structure that we've got up here that we rejected, 0.85945, is what we're looking to break. Nothing on the oscillators that's giving us any indication except on the hour. So look at this massive pin bar on the hour. You can see a nice strong move up, and then a massive move down, taking up the low, and then the buyer stepping in and driving it up again. So really difficult to trade that kind of stuff. And this is a lot of times where your stop gets taken and then off it goes again. So for me, Forex today is really much sit on hands. I'm not really keen on getting involved in anything today. Not even the indexes looks exciting. So yeah, probably the start of the month, waiting for a whole lot of data to come out. Let all that noise blow over before we start looking for opportunities. That's kind of what I'll be doing. So hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.